For this test, let's see if our multimodal model Gemini can understand how some unusual images were created using emojis from Emoji Kitchen. Emoji Kitchen lets you combine different emoji to make new ones. For example, if you combine this ghost with this avocado, you get this. We'll see if it can guess this one.
I think it's ghost and avocado.
Nice. Now let's see if it can explain the visual details it used.
The emoji has the shape of a ghost, but it is green and has a big brown pit.
Now let's give it a name and a short tagline.
Avogeist, the ghost of guacamole.
That's a good one. Here's a couple more tests I ran.
I'd call this one Party Ghost, Boogie on Down. I'd call this one Robo Bunny, part robot, all ears. I'd call this one Mushy, feeling emotional.
And there you have it. Learn more about Gemini and stay tuned for more tests.
Let's see if our multimodal model, Gemini, can find the similarities between images. We'll start with these two, the Bosch's Chapel and this print by Hokusai. And I'll prompt Gemini, find a connection between these two images. Let's see what Gemini says. A curved and organic composition, the building is more refined, and the second image is more fluid. Yeah, that worked. Okay, let's try another one using the moon and this golf ball on my webcam. Then I'll run the same prompt. Okay, let's see. In 1971, the Apollo 14 crew hit 2 golf balls on the lunar surface. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay, then one more just for fun. Who wore it better? The zebra. Oh, I like this. The zebra has been wearing its stripes for millions of years. Okay, there are some examples of visual understanding with Gemini. Stay tuned for more.
Let's see if our multimodal model Gemini can understand outfits. We'll start with something simple, like this puffer, and ask, what is someone wearing this best dressed to do? Perfect for staying warm in the tundra. Good color for blending in with glacial ice. Okay, how about another one? Intergalactic travel. Okay. How about this one? To boldly go where no one has gone before and play some jazz. All right, Gemini's got jokes. Now coin a term for that outfit. Mooncore. That's actually pretty good. Okay, well, that's understanding my outfit with Gemini. Stay tuned for more visual tests soon. Thanks.
Let's see if our multimodal model Gemini can guess some movies. All right, we're going to start here. Given the play on words in these images, guess the name of the movie.
The Breakfast Club.
All right, what about this?
Breakfast at Tiffany's.
All right. What about this?
Uncut Gems.
Cool. So these are working. Here's a couple more quick tests I ran through.
Goldfinger.
Nice.
Bottle Rocket.
Okay.
The Wizard of Oz.
Nice.
Moonrise Kingdom.
Okay, this last one's a little more complicated.
Forrest Gump.
Okay, wow. I honestly didn't think it was going to get that. And that's an experiment in guessing movies with Gemini. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Let's see if our multimodal model Gemini can turn images into code. I'll start with this image of a tree and just select the part I want and then ask Gemini, can you turn this image into an SVG? This represents the main shapes of a tree. Let's see. That's pretty good. All right, now I want to try a more difficult test. Let's see if Gemini can make an interactive demo in JavaScript. Okay, here we go. A common algorithm for this is called a fractal tree. Okay, this is pretty cool. Gemini even provided a slider, so I can change and move the fractals. It even provided me with the actual code. Nice. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more coding experiments coming soon. Thanks.
Let's see if our multimodal model Gemini can help make sense of my apartment. And to add a little extra challenge, I'm going to see if Gemini can handle being prompted only in Chinese. We'll start with this photo. Based on the lighting alone, I want to see if Gemini can figure out which direction my apartment faces. And Gemini responds, 我可以猜测房间是朝南的. Okay, so it looks like Gemini says my room is south-facing. So how about this plant? What type of light does it need? 这是虎尾兰，不适合太多阳光. So Gemini is saying this is a snake plant, and it doesn't require a lot of sunlight. Awesome. So I've got a dining room that faces the opposite direction of my bedroom. I wonder if this plant would do better in there. Let me see. And Gemini responds, 虎尾兰不需要很多阳光，由于客厅朝北，客厅更适合. So Gemini is surmising that my dining room faces north, has lower light, and is therefore better suited for that plant. Okay, that's some apartment planning with Gemini. Stay tuned for more.